Hey guys, it's Luna. This week I decided I would take you guys along in kind of a couple days in my life. I haven't really done one of these since I've been in school, so I thought it would be fun for you guys to see what the new day in the life is. It's about 10:30 and I woke up at like 10. I'm gonna get ready because I'm going to see a house. I've been going on a lot of house tours lately. Good morning. No, come back. Okay, we arrived at the house viewing that we're going to, but it looks really cute. It's in a really cute area and I'm excited, so let's go. Kitchen. Look at the view, so nice. The living room. Balcony. Has the nice wood floor. We just saw that house. I took videos, but it's really cute. I really like it. It had a lot of character, but there was a lot of things in it that were ugly. Like the carpet is disgusting. I'm gonna show my mom. I'm gonna send it to her. She's in China. It's a little bit above our price range, but they're willing to go lower if we're looking for a long-term lease. So we'll see about that. I'm going to go home and eat something. I haven't eaten yet today, which is weird. I haven't been hungry in the mornings lately. Lunch is served. Delicious. I wanted to show you guys something that you probably saw already in the video and would like me to explain. This tattoo is real. I've been really secretive about this one. I didn't film it or post about it on Instagram at all, and I didn't even film a YouTube video when I got it like I did my last one. But yeah, it's real, guys. I feel like as a YouTuber getting tattoos that I'm supposed to have like a novel explanation as to what it means to me and why I got it, you know. To be honest with you guys, I didn't really think about it for a long time, like I did my other tattoo. I've always loved angels and cherubs. The first shirt my mom ever made for me for her brand Luna had a little angel cherub on it, so they always kind of had a really big significance in my life. I moved the camera a little closer. It's this little angel cherub. Leek did it, the same guy that did my Montana tattoo back here, which you guys saw, but he did an insane job. The detail on this, like, the detail is insane, and so it's been my screensaver for a while, and I just decided I've always wanted a wrist tattoo, especially in this area, and I got it. So I never thought I would be one to get a lot of tattoos, and I'm honestly kind of done now. This is like as much as I wanted on my body, and yeah, I mean, I don't really have a crazy explanation as to what it means to me. I just really liked it, and that for me personally is enough to validate me getting it. So I know a lot of people have different opinions on tattoos, and I'm fine with that, but I love it and I'm excited about it. I haven't revealed this to anyone yet, so you guys are the first to know. Other than that, I'm gonna go get ready for class. Okay, I'm sitting in my car for a little bit. I'm gonna write down combinations that I want to make sure I get done today, making sure my playlists are all done so I don't waste time on that. I like to be organized, as you guys know.
Congratulations on 400K! That was my bad side, okay? Oh yeah, lefties. We're lefty. I'm not very good at either side. The glasses are coming off, that means it's
So I have one more class and then I'm done. I'm teaching a lyrical class to younger girls. Some of you guys are sacrificing your upper body. I told you before. Okay, yeah? That's me. Do not sacrifice your upper body. Even if your leg is 45 degrees. I don't care. Yeah, don't. Where's the head?
Down. And your bottom on.
Good. I'm on my phone because my camera died, but I just finished class and now we're at the park. I couldn't beat it. We're just little keys of heart. Oh! Whoa. I'm in all sweats right now. I've never been so cozy. And I'm probably just gonna watch a show, but it's 3:12 and I teach at 4. But you guys, look at this bed. This is an adjustable bed, so like I wanna watch a show. Incredible. Look at this, I can do my feet too. This is insane. I've never been so cozy. I don't feel well, guys. I feel sick. Just wanna snuggle, I don't wanna go teach. I teach from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock today. I feel under the weather. I just wanna go to bed. I'm probably gonna watch a show. Let's see what's on TV. Okay, it's time to get up. You guys, listen to my stomach right now. Oh my god! I'm gonna die. Hi, okay, I just took a shower, but I'm like watching footage back from this vlog and I feel like I'm kind of hiding my life from you guys and what I'm feeling from you guys. For some reason, when I watch this footage back, I feel like this video is very not me, and that's never what I want to do on my channel. I want you guys to see everything and know everything. I've just been very overwhelmed lately. There's been a lot of things going on in my family that you guys would obviously not know about because everything looks so great online. And it's also just stuff that I'm not really ready to talk about and stuff that's still so fragile that's something I would like to keep private. But a lot going on that I have to handle. I don't really know how to explain this to you guys without giving you context. Long story short, I'm only 18 and I know that, yeah, I am an adult now and I'm responsible for myself, but I'm not responsible for a lot of the things that I'm being held accountable for. My mom is gone, so it's kind of hard to handle it all on my own, but I guess it's part of growing up. I just feel very overwhelmed right now. But I can honestly say that the past few months I've been the happiest I've ever been, and this is just a little obstacle, and that's fine. Please leave me video recommendations below because I've been pretty uninspired. Anyway, love you guys so, so much. I will see you next Thursday, and yeah. Bye, guys.